And all eyes are on Raghuram Rajan today as the RBI governor will announce the monetary policy for this quarter. A poll conducted among leaders of banks and financial institutions suggests the RBI is unlikely to change key rates. The current repo rate, the price at which banks borrow money from the RBI, is likely to remain at 7.75%. And Virendra Gunawat now joining us on the phone line. Virendra, we understand the RBI resisting this clamour for a rate cut.
Exactly, but everyone knows that RBI used to surprise every time, and in last three quarters we have seen that when the bank experts, the stock market, the bank, all the people were expecting that the RBI would be cutting down the interest rate, but that time it maintained a status quo. Today as well, all the experts and even the corporate world are expecting that RBI won't change the interest rate; it will be unchanged and a status quo. But let's see what comes out, because RBI panel report had made it very clear that that interest rate cutting down is not possible. It would definitely go up. But what exactly?
Virendra, I'm going to ask you to just hold on there for a while. We also have Arun Kejriwal, a market expert, joining us on the phone line. So the repo rate likely to remain at what it is right now?
Well, absolutely. I think all rates would remain unchanged simply because the greatest concern that the governor had was inflation, and fortunately food articles, fruits and vegetables have come down in the previous month, so that gives the government some breathing space and the governor some time before he takes a call on whether interest rates should be hiked, because inflation is rising from his viewpoint, and drop from the government's viewpoint. I think there would be no change. Liquidity seems to be adequate. If anything does happen, it would come as a complete surprise, pleasant or unpleasant.
So the rate's likely to be on this prolonged hold. Is that what you can safely assume?
No, I won't use the word prolonged. For the time being, yes, rates would remain unchanged, and how inflation pans out in the coming months, because we must remember there is also a base effect which has happened in the current fall, and if food and vegetables continue to fall, inflation should be softening, moderating, but not comfortable.
Arun Kejriwal, our market expert, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today. This is, as remember, hawkish. RBI likely to keep these rates on hold. India's hawkish central bank will keep its key interest rate unchanged. Today, all eyes on that. This is as inflationary pressures have eased off sharply since December.